about a half a load of charcoal in the chimney, and poured it in. It got really hot, really fast, and it burned for about 4 hours, which is perfect for pizza. Here's the ingredients that I used. Very simple, and I wanted to be sure that anybody could make this. So you stir in the yeast, add the sugar, let it sit for a little bit, 5 minutes maybe. Add the flour and the salt and the oil, and just mix it. Mix it by hand, bake it into a ball, put some flour out, let it raise for 15 minutes, and then just flatten it out. And I used a piece of foil, because I wanted people to make this without a pizza stone. Added my sauce, my cheese, and pepperoni to taste. I'd rather use smaller pepperoni next time. These are a little bit strange, but it was delicious. Got it up to 450 and was bubbling hot.